Well, there are a few things that give you an idea as to what should be done. One is, of course, that events usually by most user organizations are done once in a while. So if you remove your manpower from the regular job to do the event related job, there will definitely be some compromise they will do in their job. So as a result, if you really want them to keep doing their own job, you let an agency do what they do best. The second advantage with the agency is that if something goes wrong, you cannot come back from it. If let's say something goes wrong while the event is on, there's very little you can do to change the impression that the user has got. So it's always more important to be better planned. An agency knows what challenges one can face in an event. An agency will prepare for that so that this eventuality does not come about. Also, agencies, since they deal with vendors regularly, they have contracts with them. You will get generally better prices for all the equipment and related activities as compared to if a person does it themselves. Also, sometimes some unanticipated expenses can be there. An agency knows that, whereas if you do it on your own, you may have more of such unanticipated expenses. So these are primarily the reasons why one should generally, in my opinion, prefer to go to an agency. The price that the service charge that you pay to the agency is well worth it.